What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the IFLYTEK Smart Recorder. So big shout out to IFLYTEK for sending this over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So this is the world's first offline voice-to-text recorder. Now let's take a look at some of the features and details. So offline AI voice-activated recorder. Your recorded notes can be transcribed to text and extracted to file without internet securely. And there is also no hidden cost, so you don't have to strive to anything to do this. It's going to be totally offline. Long distance recording equipped with 2 directional microphones and 4 omnidirectional microphones, recording up to 10 meters or 33 feet with clear sound. Voice to text transcription powered by IFLYTEK advanced AI technology, supporting fast and accurate transcriptions in 5 languages: English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Russian. Now this has a 2-inch touchscreen display offering an immersive listening and viewing experience. You're going to get 4 recording modes. It's going to include intelligent, conference, interview, and speech modes. Now this provides a customized microphone and noise reduction solution based on the recording scenario. You get USB-C charging, and with just 1 hour of charging provides up to 175 hours of battery life, ensuring that your device is ready for both work and daily use. On-off settings function: press the on and off button to wake up the recorder, and press it again to quickly start recording or to activate by touchscreen alternatively. Now this is a portable and compact device, 1.8 by 4.6 inches and 3.53 ounces. Now this is going to be the ultimate CPU performance. Advanced octa-core 64-bit high performance processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 32 gigabytes of storage. So those are a few of the features and details. You can transfer your files from the device to your PC as well. So here's the box that it comes in. That was a plastic wrapper, but I took that off already. Here's some of the things on the side. You guys see right there. And then here's the back. You get a few more specs here. Like I said, 32 gigabytes of storage. This is called the starry gray color. And you guys can see what else we have there. The model number is SR302 Pro. And let's go ahead and get into this. So here's the inside of the packaging. We get our little tiny little device here. Beautiful looking device here. We'll go over that in just a minute. See what else is in the packaging. So you're going to get some pamphlets here. You get your product manual and the user terms of use. Right there. I may have to reference that, but seems like it's pretty simple. And then you got your charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. Gonna put that back in there, and that's all in the packaging, guys. All right, so let's take a look at the device. Here's your 2-inch touchscreen right here, your 2 directional microphones, and your 4 omnidirectional microphones there. Your volume up and down. You got your record button, your directional pad, your select button here, IFLYTEK, your charging port down here, Type C, and you also have your microphone, your speakers right there, your power button right there, and then on the back you got IFLYTEK. So this is a very tiny little device here. I'm going to get this set up, come back, and I'll let you guys, we'll go over the interface. Okay guys, so we got this set up. Here it is. You guys see when you first turn this on, simple instructions to set this up as well, guys. Within a few seconds I had it set up. You set your date, time, and pretty much it. As you guys see, you get your time, your day of the week, and the month, and then you got your battery percentage. Now it's asked me to slide up. So the first display here you get to is your intelligent recording. It tells you the free memory as well right there. Next display over, you got my files. We'll go into that. And you can also use your directional pad to navigate throughout the device. So next, we got settings. Let's go ahead and go into settings. So in settings, you're going to have general. So general, you can set your auto strain off. You got the option of 1 minute all the way up to never, 10 minutes, and you guys can see that. Let's go back. Auto power off, 1 hour, 5 hours, 10 hours, 24 hours, never. So you can have this go continuously forever. Indicator. Indicator light will turn off after the recording. And then you got your lock screen password. You can set up a password. Here's your system languages right here. Also have the amount of storage that you're using already right there. And then you got your system time. You can set your date and stuff like that. And that is pretty much in the general settings. Then you got your transcription settings here. Now you can set your languages here. Different languages right here: Japanese, Chinese, Korean, Russian. You can set that there, but it's two ways to set that, and I'll show you the other way. Manage language settings packages. Then you also have your file export instructions right here. Tells you how to get the files off. And that is, no, we got some more here. Help and feedback, battery and performance. So you can choose to have the battery percentage there. And you do also have a battery saver mode. System resources, check for updates. So this will be continuously updated as well. And then about the machine. So that's pretty much it in the settings. Here's your files. Of course, I don't have any files. We will look at that in a minute. So here's your recording. As you guys see, it is starting to record. As soon as you get on there, it's going to start recording. You can also choose your language from here as well. So you don't have to go into your settings. And I can flag portions of this where I want to make notations, and when I'm listening at or reading the transcription, I can always go back and find where I put a flag. And as you guys see, it is catching everything that I say here, adding the correct periods, punctuations, or whatever it needs to do. And it's pretty accurate, as you guys see. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this. You also can use your record button to start whatever you're recording. So it says right here, quickly open and save the recording. So it is saving it. If I would have pressed that, now we're going to go into files. So in files, here's the file right here. And as you guys see, I can listen at this. You got different speeds and stuff here. Transcription, tag list, adjust the font size, file export instruction, file information. So it'll give you, different things about the file there. If I stroll over, this is where I can read my transcribe recording right here. You guys can see the notes that I put there, the little flags. And as you guys see, it works very well. So let's go ahead and listen at this file and see how it sounds. Here's your recording. As you guys see, it is starting to record. As soon as you get on there, it's going to start recording. You can also choose your language from here as well. So you don't have to go into your settings. And I can flag. And as you guys see, it works very well, man. You can press the AI button right there and voice word filtering and non-human filtering as well. So you can, dogs, cats, or whatever, you can filter out that, like you wash and dry and things like that. It will try to automatically AI filter that. So also, guys, you can start recording with the display off. Just press your record button and press it again, and you're in there recording already, just like that. So very easy to get this started and going. I can also stop this right here, and it's saving the file right there. So very nice device here. Also on this screen, guys, if you press this little folder thing here, you can see that you can change your recording mode. You got conference recording, speech recording, interview recording as well. And it gives you an explanation on which situation these will be best used for. Very easy to use, one touch. You got your directional microphones, omnidirectional, and a nice touchscreen as well. So very, very small, lightweight, and compact, man. So I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below. If you guys going to go pick this up, the IFLYTEK Smart Recorder. Will H. I'm out.